Now one more thing is we have applied the gravity loading on the car, but we have the tires here, and tires are resting on the road. So the entire load of the car is coming on these tires, and those tires, they don't have the actual tire properties. In the sense, they are just 1 mm thickness elastic material with very low Young's modulus. What I have defined. If you want, you can see it again. Material property update. If I click this car, updated it. Very low density, very low Young's modulus. There was some issue with the audio. Uh, Very low density and very low Young's modulus. So this is not. If in this scenario, if I continue my analysis, as soon as the analysis starts, these tires will just collapse. So I need to give enough pressure inside these tires so that they can hold the load of this vehicle. So that activity I have to do. So for that, the option is monitored volume. Now I know what I have to fill in over there. So I'm directly going for the option, which I will go through the solver panel. Solver, create, monitor volume. And there are different monitor volume for different applications. They are available. For this application, I will go with the gas, and you have to create monitor volume separately for tires. I'll create it for only one tire now. So it is front left maybe. Okay. And it is asking me to enter the parameters. The gas constant CP is 1.4, and external pressure is 0.1 atmospheric pressure, and internal pressure will be much higher. And you can specify bursting pressure. Here I'm not specifying any bursting pressure. If you have a requirement, you can specify the bursting pressure as well. Okay. Now I have entered the parameter, but I have not selected the tire part, which once I come back, this tab will be open for me. Okay. Now let me display this and this. Reverse. One condition for creating this monitor volume is this volume should be closed. Like when you are doing the tetrameshing, we create a enclosed shell, triangle shell. Like that, it should be a shell enclosed. Just to check that, I am checking the edges. Components, find edges. So there are no edges. It's an enclosed volume. So this is one condition. And second condition is the normal should be facing outward. So for that, I'll check Shift F10 components. So this is the size of the normal display. So if I see all the normals, they are facing outward. So these are two conditions. Okay, so it is satisfying both the condition. So now I'll come back. Okay, I came in the middle. I was creating that, and I went out of it. So I had to again go inside that. I'll go to monitored volume, gas, card edit. So these entries are okay. Return. I have to fill in the information which I have not done. I'm just looking where I have to fill that missing information. Let me create it again because I came back from in the middle and it is not allowing me to get inside of it. Okay, so I'll create again. Create Monvol, and I'll go with gas. FR left. Okay. 0.4, 0.1, 0.31, and default value return. So here elements. So all this. So here also you have vector display option to check the normals. Anyway, now I have checked it, so I'll say create. Okay. Already I created this one, so it was just updating this option. Now I updated that. So now you have the monitored volume. All this text. So this you have to create it on all the other tests as well.